Hey guys, I'm Dr. John. Today we're going to be going over reverse lunges. Reverse lunges are a great exercise to challenge not only your core and dynamic and hip stability, but they're also a great strengthening exercise. So without further ado, let's get into it. So as evidenced by the name, a reverse lunge is a lunge in the opposite direction. So we're going to step back with, in this case, my right leg, and you're going to then bring this knee down to the ground. Now, while I'm here, what you want to focus on is being able to keep this chest in your trunk upright, right? And then as I go to bring myself up, I'm going to drive through my heel on this front leg, so I get a little bit more of my glute activation on this left side, and then I'm pushing through the toes on my right leg. So as I come up, I'm going to drive through and come back up here. And you'll rinse and repeat for each side. Now, if you're having a little bit of trouble with stability or even range of motion, then what it might look like is instead of coming all the way down to the floor, what you can do is just come down and keep that knee just barely up and off. And as you continue to get used to the stability that requires to get down to the ground, your strength, what you'll end up being able to do is get closer and closer to the ground until you get your knee resting all the way back in on the ground. The other thing to pay attention to, and we talked about this in the lunge video, is not coming too far forward over that foot. So I'm going to make sure that when I come down, this knee has a nice angle to it. I might be a little bit forward, but I'm not coming all the way forward over my toes like that. But again, you're going to push through your toes and the heel on the front leg to bring yourself up and drive back and through. And that is how you do a reverse lunge.